1959, the first Barbie doll was sold. Since then, Barbie has become a true icon and one of the most popular dolls in the world. On our channel, Drawing Magic, we adore her. By the way, Barbie is not only a doll. She has become the main character of many cartoons, books and even video games. How many of you have watched cartoons with Barbie? We are sure that many of you have. Did you know that Barbie was created by Ruth Handler? She came up with the idea for this doll by watching her daughter who played with paper dolls. The first Barbie cartoon was released in 2001, and since then, more than 35 animated movies have been released. When creating Barbie animated movies, the team often utilizes advanced animation techniques. In the cartoons, Barbie changes outfits frequently. Interestingly, each outfit is designed with great attention to detail so that it fits the theme and time of the movie. The first Barbie wore a black leotard and heeled shoes. When Ruth Handler invented her, she wanted to create a doll that looked like a real woman and that girls could play with while pretending to be adults. The most expensive Barbie in the world cost $300,000. It's made of gold and set with diamonds.